Friends, over the last few years, a lot of my mentees have qualified CFA Level 1 exam. I thought it would be a good idea to interview them and share their experiences with you so that you can also learn from their mistakes as well as insights. So here it is for you. अंजलि, एक चीज बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है यार यहाँ आपके आपने इफ आई कैन कॉल यू लीविंग सीए प्रिपरेशंस एज आल्सो अ फेलियर इफ आई कैन कॉल दैट सो देन यू फेस टू फेलियर्स. एक आप सीए की तैयारी कर रहे थे, आपने छोड़ दिया. दूसरा आपने फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट दिया, वो हुआ नहीं.
यस
तो ये दोनों के बाद जो साइकोलॉजिकल प्रेशर आया होगा आपके ऊपर कि अरे यार अंजलि, आर यू गुड इनफ, आता ही है यार. आपको नहीं आएगा तो आपके लोग जो आसपास के हैं वो बोलने लगेंगे, अरे अंजलि अच्छा खासा यार आप अपना कोई छोटी मोटी जॉब करो यार, ये आप क्या सीएफए कर रहे हो, लाखों रुपए का एग्जाम भी आप पैसे बर्बाद कर रहे हो. और देखो यार, होना होता तो आपका सीए भी हो जाता, होना होता तो यार आप ये भी कर लेते, वो भी कर लेते. देखो होना होता तो देखो फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ही हो जाता. इसमें भगवान ही कुछ बता रहा है आपको कि आपका नहीं होना था. बहुत सारी धारणाएं हैं यार. अनफॉर्चुनेटली लोगों को जिनको कोई कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं है वो उनको ज्ञान देने आ जाते. और हमको खुद भी यार, आपने 91% स्कोर किया 12th में, तो आपने भी फेलियर्स देखे नहीं थे इससे पहले अपनी जिंदगी में. आपने जिस कुछ हुआ आपने बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स लाए. तो आफ्टर फेलिंग इनटू प्रिपेयरिंग सीए एज वेल एज क्लियरिंग सीएफए, how did you buckle yourself up for preparing CFA? How did you overcome these psychological hindrances which were pushing you down?
So first of all, I like to make it very clear that it was not easy. It was definitely not easy. So firstly, let's talk about leaving CA or being a failure at CA. So the thought of not being able to complete CA, it had like haunted me for years. It had haunted me for years to come. And even at the slightest mention of CA, I used to burst into tears because I used to feel so embarrassed. How can I not complete? How could I not do that? Because there were so many friends of mine who had like become my seniors already. Okay. And I was still just sitting on CPT. I had not cleared my IPCC. And then it broke my spirit. I was like, how is that happening? And then I went for my MBA and everything. And then for CFA also, when I was thinking I'll do it, there were so many ifs and buts holding me back. I was constantly walking with clouds of self-doubt. ऐसा होगा तो ऐसा होगा, क्या होगा, मैं कर पाऊंगी, नहीं कर पाऊंगी, अभी मैं फिर से लोगों से कैसे नजरें मिलाऊंगी. I was too embarrassed. I was afraid of being too embarrassed again. But then I had a great support of my family. So I think if you are too afraid, you are too embarrassed, maybe please try to find a support system. I was too privileged, too lucky to have that support system who could see through me. And I think one of the most supportive being would be my husband. Wow. He just saw through me that I'm struggling, and he told me it's okay, it's just another exam, you fail. We try again. Life is all about trying again.
Yeah.
So yeah. You try again. Understood. You fail, it's okay.
Understood. Great. यार ये बड़ा अच्छी चीज आपने बोली, क्योंकि अभी आप देखो, जब हम छोटे होते थे, किसी एग्जाम में खराब करते थे या किसी स्पोर्ट्स में खराब करते थे. मुझे आज भी याद है, मेरा भाई था, हम लोग दौड़ रहे थे, स्कूल का कंपटीशन था, और वो दौड़ते दौड़ते गिर गया था. और वो काफ़ी एम्बैरेसिंग था उसके लिए. ही वॉज आई थिंक इन स्टैंडर्ड 7th और 8th एट दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम. और आप सोचो यार, सारे पेरेंट्स, सारे स्टूडेंट्स आपको देख रहे हैं और आप एक रेस में गिर जाते हो, राइट, और फिर आप रेस कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाते हो. उस समय यार आपके माँ बाप, आप इमीडिएटली आप सपोर्ट अपने माँ बाप से ढूंढते हो. और माँ बाप आपके इतने अच्छे होते हैं कि घर में फिर गाजर का हलवा बनता है, सब लोग जानबूझ के गिर रहे होते हैं दिन में कि देखो बेटा हम भी तो गिर गए, कुछ नहीं होता है, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा, एंड पीपल चीयर यू अप. बट फॉर्चुनेटली अनफॉर्चुनेटली अंजलि, जब हम यार एडल्ट हो जाते हैं, जब हम कॉलेज में जाते हैं, को लगता है यार अब तो दोस्त हम अपने पैरों पर खड़े हो गए. अब यार हम कितने ही, कैसा एम्बैरेसिंग मोमेंट होगा, हम अपने पेरेंट्स को कुछ बताएंगे रोते हुए या अपने फियर्स के बारे में, तो उनको कैसा लगेगा. अब तो हम जवान हो गए. But I think, yaar, you always need a support center, right, or a support system. And I think there is no shame, no embarrassment in reaching out to people who you love, who you know would care for you without judging you. And I think, yaar, in your case, it was your family, your husband who actually backed you up. And you saw through that phase. A lot of people I have seen, yaar, especially in this teenage, in this adulthood, in this transition from a boy or a girl to a man and a woman, right, believe कि अब तो यार हम बड़े हो गए, अब छोड़ो यार. And they have all these anxieties closed into them, right, rather than talking to someone. And I think this is a great lesson, yeah, which a lot of people can learn from your experience. Dosto, I hope you gained a lot from the session today. If you are excited to start your journey in finance and want to prepare CFA, friends, I am here to help you. I have prepared the entire CFA Level 1 curriculum in very easy to understand lecture series. It has a lot of practical examples, right from the finance industry and business industry, where I've explained you every concept, linking it to how this concept is used in the real financial world, like fiscal policy, monetary policy. I've picked up real quotes from the industry to explain you these concepts. So do give it a try, because that way your concepts will really go not in your mind but in your heart. Number two, I really and truly believe that your CFA level 1 is fruitful only if you qualify for a good financial role. And how will that happen? If you pick up these concepts and are able to apply in the real practical financial world in your jobs. So what I have done is picked up all these concepts, and I've also taught you in my lecture series how to apply this in your Excel, so that your proficiency in Excel, knowledge of Excel is also enhanced. So with these two, in just 3 to 4 months with my lecture series, you can prepare the entire curriculum. Also, you will get 6 mock exams, which once given once every week will take you 1.5 to 2 months for your mock exams and revision. That way, in just 4 plus 2, which is 4 months for the curriculum to get over, 2 months for your mock exam and revision, in just 6 months, you will be fully prepared for the CFA level 1. Details of the curriculum as well as a lot of demo sessions are given in the description. Do give it a shot, and trust me friends, it is available at a very, very nominal price. So do give it a shot.